A husband and wife decided they needed to use a code indicate to have sex without letting their children in on it. They decided on the word typewriter. One day the husband told his 5-year-old daughter, "Go tell your mummy that daddy needs to type a letter." The child told her mom what her dad said, and her mother responded, "Tell your daddy that he can't type a letter right now because there's a red ribbon in the typewriter." The child went back to tell her father what mommy had said. A few days later, the mom told the daughter, "Tell daddy that he can type that letter now." The child told her father and then returned to her mother and announced, "Daddy said never mind with the typewriter. He already wrote the letter by hand."